Hello everyone. Semi-handy family man here. What we got here today is our Ford Excursion. We went to start it up the other night and it made just a ticking sound. And I lifted the hood. I could see the fan turning just a little bit and just a really loud like ticking sound tick, 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 when you're trying to turn it over. So it wasn't turning over. So this is gonna try and fix that problem. The first thing I read on some forums, clean the battery terminals. I pulled the battery out, so I'm going to clean these two terminals here, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean the connection cables in the Excursion. See what that kind of looks like. The wind's kind of blowing us here, and then we'll see if that fixes the problem. If not, we'll probably see about getting a new battery, see if that fixes the problem. Okay, so anyway, cleaning the terminals here. Just put a little bit of baking soda on this stuff here. There we go. A little bit of water. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna put some water on these paper towels. There we go. It's not like crazy bad, like I've seen a lot of batteries, but I just want to clean it up enough to where making sure it's making a connection. Okay. Oops. And just to make sure there's nothing crazy on there too, I'm just going to take a little wire brush and just brush it a little bit. I don't see anything coming off. Yeah, so that's looking really clean. Okay. Hold on a minute. Okay, we're back over here. The battery terminals here. I don't know if there's a tool for this, for scraping down inside of there. I don't really have it, so let's try some baking soda. Try and get it down in there a little bit, and try some water. Water there. Try and scrub this. Trying to get the inside there. I guess I got a tool for this, which makes a lot of sense because it's pretty difficult to get anything inside there. Guess this is kind of getting in there a little bit. Messing up my wire brush too. That's alright. Just trying to clean these terminals as best we can here. Okay, get a paper towel for that one. Just kind of dry it off as best we can here. And yeah, this is kind of a little bit of copper in there. You know what? Get some steel wool. Hold on, I'll be right back. Alright, we're back. I'm gonna try this SOS pad here. See if we can fit it in there and just go to town on some of the terminals there. On the inner part there. most of us stuff is pretty burly, seems like sometimes. So that's looking better. Go for that there. Okay, so let's try the other one here. Doesn't really look corroded, but oh well. Let's clean it up anyway. Why not? Can't hurt anything by cleaning it, I'm pretty sure. So it seemed like instead of pouring water on it, better just to get like a paper towel wet and then just pat it on there. Clean it like that maybe. Huh, you can already see whatever. Didn't look like a corrosion, but just like some gray stuff that was just on there. Like, it's already shinier. Try and get this in there as best we can. And if I don't have to buy a new battery because of this worked, that'd be kind of nice. Once again, just trying to work this up in there as best I can. Okie dokie. I'll try and clean it a little bit with a fire brush on the inside there. Out a little bit more water, get that excess stuff off of there. Okay, so those are pretty clean. Let me go ahead and get excess water out of this pan here and bring the battery over, hook it up, and see if it turns over. We'll be right back. Alright, so here we are. Got the battery back in there. Do the terminals. Just put them on real quick. Reason that's loosening it. Okay. Just cinch it down on there. I'm not sure how crazy tight it needs to be. Cinch it down on there, snug it. Okay, so I'm gonna grab my keys real quick and try and turn it over. And either way, you're gonna hear the ticking sound or it'll fire up, I guess. So we'll be right back. One moment. All right, I'm gonna go start it up, or try to. So we'll see what happens. Okay, well, you saw what happened. It's not the terminals. It's not the battery, probably. Sorry. Probably is the battery. Since it's not the terminals, we'll go ahead and get a new battery. Put that in and see if it fixes the clicking, non-starting problem on the Ford Excursion. We'll be back once I go purchase a new battery. Hold on. Back, everyone, got a new battery installed here, brand new, $133. Let's hope that this works and it starts. Let's go try. beautiful. Alrighty. So, if your car doesn't turn over and it just your Excursion just makes that sound when you try and turn it over, it's either the battery connections or something like that, or probably the battery itself, which is just not putting enough amps to turn it over, but just start the solenoid or something like that. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope that helps you if you have any similar problems. Hope you don't have to buy a new battery, but if you do, I hope it works. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Okay, bye.